here's what I want you to remember as we shift out to business. Cash flow is measured in time. Income is measured in dollars. If you make $1 million a year, is that a ton of income? Yes. But if you're spending $2 million, your cash flow is 6 months. So think about it. These are your expenses. From this wall to that wall is 12 months. So you got $2 million in expenses. But your money stopping in June. Because you make $1 million. So I still got to go from July to what? December. I'm broke by every 15th of the month because that's half. Because I only make half of my what? Expenses. So my income is high, but my cash flow is negative. -6. Now you take a young lady that's a school teacher. She make $80,000 a year, but her bills are $40,000. She can go to what? 2 years. She don't make another dime. She good from January to December. Her December is here. Because her bills are what? $40,000. But she make $80,000, so she can go another January to December. So she traveling the world. She got a little condo in Europe. She got a Honda Accord. You got a Bentley. She got 2 Hondas, a condo in Europe. Go to every show and performance. Go to vacation and everything. You balling on the interstate. She an international player from the Himalayas with $80,000. Because her cash flow better than yours. Her cash flow 2 years. Yours is -6. See the difference? See, I learned a long time ago, my cash flow is sick. My cash flow is sick. Because I've learned that, wait a minute, I want happiness a different way. I want happiness because there's nothing burdening me. I can always make more what? Income. That's easy. This is America. Everybody repeat after me. This is America. This is America. You got the opportunities. We're going to show it to you. But first, your cash flow got to get what? Up. Anybody got any blanks in column 1? Should all be filled in. Column 1 meaning under W2. Middle column. Who's ready to open up? Now you see the power of having a home-based what? Business. So, in my econ, A, you invest. This is my mistake. You invest, this is not the answer. Put this like a note. $47.90. Not on the blank. One time. $47.90. Down there where it says A, invest. 47 what? 90. And $34.95 a month. That's the answer on the month thing. $34.95 a month. I got to add a new blank to my sheet. So it's $47.90 how many times? One time. Y'all, less than $50. Y'all thought y'all was going to come here and get hit over the head. How much they want? How much? We don't want nothing. We're trying to show you how to get a 1099 so you can shift from the left to the what? Right. So my econ, what they've done, we've wrapped the problem, which is the taxes, the debt, and big business. We've now flipped it where we put the solution in to your income shifting membership. So now the business allows you to lower your what? Taxes. Then the tax dollars allow you to pay off your what? Debt. So now we've taken your 2 biggest expenses and taken them off the sheet. Now that you're a business owner, you can keep up with what? Inflation. See? So now challenges are now going away because you put in $47.90 one time. $34 a month is $1.17 a day. I have people, some of y'all gonna walk out this room and think about it and go get you a $7 Starbucks. I see it all the time. Hey man, hey, good stuff, man. I'm gonna process it, talk it over with the wife while you drinking Starbucks. Did you ask her about that? But that's my marriage counselor seminar. That's different. People just kill me. I don't understand why I don't have a 100% closing ratio. This makes no sense why you would leave here and go back to being you. What you're saying is, I like high taxes. What I've been doing for 15 years is working fine. Now, don't get me wrong. For most, I'm not saying everybody's destitute. I'm saying this is something everybody should at least know. So in our membership includes do-it-yourself credit repair or credit restoration. We got people in the room whose credit scores are going up by hundreds of points because they're shifting their income. Anybody in the room got a credit testimony? Raise your hand if your credit score is increased. 1. Anybody else? 2. Anybody else? 3. Anybody else? Credit testimony. 4. 5. Look at all these credit testimonies. How many points? You above 700. Christy went, I don't know, how many points increase?
From a 620 to a 784.
780. Yeah, give it up for it, man. 780. After using the do-it-yourself credit repair. I'm going to tell you right now, man, once you get above 720, the world is yours. She is 780. You got people out here paying $1,000. Yeah, man, give him a credit fit, giving this guy $1,000. I'm like, $47.90. Do you know they put stuff on your credit without following the law? And then you go out and pay high interest rates because somebody done put something on your credit. They didn't even follow the law. It's like 17 things they're supposed to do. Most creditors do 5 of them, then mess up your credit. Now employees are checking your credit. Insurance companies check your credit. You paying high monthly expenses for bad credit. And people putting stuff on your report you don't even know about. All of that can get fixed for $47.90. So people won't weigh out how much they losing in interest, but they'll add up to $34.95 a month. But then, look, you'll weigh out the $34.95 a month and then go give Visa $218 a month. Oh, that's interest.